Hey everybody, how you doing? amplifier.com here. Here's my phone number and my website. So what we have here is a amp supply company lk500-zc Zebra Charlie dual 3.5Z amp. Guy had a bad 3.5Z. He had plate blockers that had flashed. He's a heavy contester up on 10 meters apparently. So these just couldn't handle the 10 meter operation. High duty cycle operation. So I ended up putting in a couple doorknob caps, Heiner Jeep Corporation, 1000 puff each. So he has 2000 picofarads in total. So he can still use it down on 160. This thing has not been mono-banded, it's still multi-band. Added a series glitch resistor with the B positive, 10 ohm, 10 watt. So filter caps are okay. The fan high-low switch was shot. Boy, that was a pain to change that. I had to take the board out, meter out, and carefully unsolder it, and then replace it. Yeah, it's in there pretty good. So I cleaned the rotary switch, cleaned the contacts on the TR relay. Everything else looked good. So if you need anything done, feel free to give me a call. I'll work on anything. I don't get involved with basket cases. But stuff like this or whatever, give me a call. 203-892-4119. amplifier.com. Have a great day.